Hi there, this is Chris Callett with musegrid.com. We're going to take a look at the LiveFit template. Now this template is a really nice clean design, really pushing Muse to the limits of what we can do, and there's some great stuff that you can do in Muse. So you can see we've got this really nice navigation menu, great looking colours, typography, everything very nice and clean. Let's go to this session page. We can see here with our sub menus, some really nice button effects, and we've also got some great customized widgets, and it's a very nice clean site. Now although it is built for a gym, there's no reason why you couldn't use this for many different services. So these images could be anything from a gym to a health spa to a restaurant to a corporation. It doesn't really matter. We've just used it in this particular case for a gym. Now let's jump over to Muse, because I want to show you how easy it is to change this. So I'm going to open up, this is our Muse layout. We can see here we've got a tablet version and we've got a phone version. So let's just pull up let's go to our home page master, so we can see our navigation menu and so on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull in a color palette. So I've just taken a quick screen grab of a color palette from Cooler that I created. This was created using an image of one of Nike's trainers. So it's a nice palette here, and I'm just going to change these colors. So I'm in my swatches panel, and we have our swatches here. Now we've named these colors, and these colors connect to the colors on the site. So first of all, I'm going to change this red color. Swatch options, color picker tool, click OK. Now it may take a second for it to update the colors because it's going to run through, and some items you might not actually see in Muse updating color wise. That doesn't mean they haven't. You need to preview it in the browser to make sure that everything has actually changed. But anything with that color applied to it, because it's a named color, will change. So we can see that first color's changed. I'm going to change the yellow, and I'm going to choose this color sitting next to it. Should be a little bit quicker to update the colors this time around. Now if you didn't want a gradient, of course, you could just choose the same color. So use the blue again, and then because we've got two halves to that. Then this color here, I'm going to change actually to the pink. And then finally, the last color we're going to change, when this has done all its updates, the last color now that I'm going to change is this color one here that we see in the text. Although that color does work quite nicely, I'm going to change it to the one in the palette here. It's running through all the text, changing, modifying all of the colors. We can see it's now updated. I'm going to delete that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the site here, and I'm going to click on File, Preview Site in the browser. So we'll just leave that do its thing for a minute. So now that's exported, let's take a look at the results. And we can see here that our site has all been updated. We just made those color changes. We haven't done anything else. And if we go to the various pages, we can see here that everything, even the icons, have all been updated to match our new color scheme, which is a nice color scheme, I think. And very easy to do for us, very straightforward. Everything's been completed, and we now just need to put the content in. So I hope you like the new template. Take a look at the mobile versions as well. In fact, let's just take a look at those in from within Muse here. So we've got the tablet version, which we've modified to have to fit within the tablet area. but we've also modified the way that the layout sits to be a more tablet friendly. And then if we go into the phone version, again we've built a phone version to fit nice and neatly into mobile phone, and we're making use of the composition widgets quite extensively so that we can get more content into the same space. So that's the LiveFit template. Very powerful to be able to get the color scheme changed to match your client's color scheme very quickly. You saw we just changed the colors and the entire site changed. Hope you like the template, and thanks for watching.